Hey everybody, it's Evan with Let's Do This, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make fishing rod holders out of basically any two pieces of wood you can find in your house. So I had some extra siding. I think it's shiplap siding. Seemed like some pretty thick wood. I've had it laying around forever. Use your hole saw bits. You just want to put holes in this all the way down one end. You kind of saw there what I was aiming to make. I didn't measure out anything. This is how easy it is. I just punch holes about an inch away from each other all the way down each end of this board. And once you punch a hole through, you're probably going to have to poke the biscuit out of your bit here. So I use just a little hex Allen wrench that I had laying around. So each time I punch a hole, got to poke that out. Do another hole. Took me maybe 10 minutes to drill all these holes out. And then I'm going to be taking a jigsaw and every other hole make a little channel running up to the hole. So then you can alternate your rod ends with your tips. And so you can alternate. As you know, if you've been following my channel, I got a new shed in my property up north. And I need a way to get my rods out of the way, pack them up nice. I looked at buying these, but they're pretty expensive. So I'm like, what the heck? I got two pieces of wood. I'm just going to go ahead and make some. So here I am just running two channels, well, two cuts. So then they're about maybe half an inch thick. I do them in on the side because when you put your pole tip in there, you don't want it to fall out. So you want to make sure to run your slants up into the hole from the side, not from the bottom. And you'll see, I'll kind of show you here how I'm planning on doing this when I hang it up. And at the end of the video, I show you them installed and what it looks like. But really efficient way to make these really quick. You don't have to measure anything. This will take you maybe 20 minutes to finish. And then when you install it, you just zip it on with 2 or 3 screws. So here's where I'm thinking the rod tip will go in on the side of that hole. And see, it just slips right in and it'll just hang there. Then the rod goes in on the full circle on the other side. That's why you want to alternate. You can put your holes closer together or not, but this is what the finished product looks like. And again, any two pieces of wood that you want for as many holes as you need. But I'm going to be hanging them up on these 2x4s here. Get them up out of the way. Then I'm just not having poles sitting out in my boat to the elements. And I'm going to just throw 3 screws in on each one. You want to make sure your shed's long enough for the area you're doing. And here's the finished product. Appreciate it if you subscribe. Got more ideas like this coming. So like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all later.